You're getting a haircut. I'm gonna cry. What are we saving it in? Oh.
He's got that big red dot on his face. He's all red on his.
Pictures? Take pictures.
He's all red on his chest.
Oh yeah, we've been tickling. No.
Could you hold this?
Toothpaste. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna cry. Oh, we cut his hair. You gotta put it somewhere. Where are you gonna put it?
Jordan's hand.
Oh,
Why do you gotta put it somewhere? I thought you already cut his hair.
not his big boy hair.
Now he doesn't have a mullet.
Oh, you're such a big boy, dude.
Oh gosh, he looks so hot.
You look like a little boy.
Okay, now I need the other side.
Alright, let's move the car. We'll still do. What are we doing? Now you can get a front view. Grandma cutting your hair. Oh, I feel the drool dripping down my arm. Looks like a little boy.
Mm-hmm. Did I cut that one shorter? No.
There's that long piece, so right there.
Yeah, I'll get it. I don't want to cut too much.
You look like a little boy too.
Okay.
Let me see the back. Oh, you look so drooly. Oh.